How to fix PricePicks withdrawal failed or not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and if you are facing issues with your PricePicks withdrawal failing or not working, this video is for you. First of all, you need to understand the playthrough requirements. PricePicks has a 1x playthrough requirement. This means you must use your deposited funds for entries before withdrawing. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. If you haven't made this requirement, this might be the reason for the withdrawal failure. So, you need to check your bank account information as well. Inaccurate bank account details can also cause withdrawal issues. Double check the account information you have provided. Even if you think it's correct, it's worth verifying again to rule this out. Now you can even use the same payment methods for deposit and withdrawal. Apple Pay and credit cards can only be used for deposits, not withdrawal. If you tried using a different withdrawal method, it could lead to failure. So you can follow withdrawal limits as well. Only one withdrawal request is allowed per 24-hour period. If your winning exceed $600 in a calendar year, PricePicks will require you to file tax paperwork. And hopefully this video helps you resolve your PricePicks withdrawal issues by following the issue or these steps. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.